Welcome to Restro POS. In this quick tutorial, to begin, head to the left-hand menu and select Delivery Executive. Use the search bar to quickly locate a delivery executive by name, email, or phone number. The dashboard also displays how many orders each executive has handled and whether they're currently available or on a delivery. To make changes to an existing member, click Update beside their name. You can update contact details or other internal notes as required. To add a new executive, click Add Executive, enter the name and phone number, then hit Save. The new executive will be added to your team instantly. And that's it. Managing delivery executives with Restro POS is simple and efficient, helping you stay on top of assignments and ensure timely food deliveries.